Many of you might cringe at the thought of Brussels sprouts, and honestly, I used to be in that camp too. But even though they might not be everyone's favorite vegetable, there's a good reason why they're worth including in your diet. While it's common knowledge that veggies like spinach and cauliflower are healthy, Brussels sprouts have unique benefits that make them special. Health experts and nutritionists wish we'd make them a regular item on our plates, not just a holiday garnish. If you're still not sold on why these little green orbs deserve a spot in your meals, stick around for 11 compelling health reasons. And if it's their taste that's turning you off, I've got some tips to help you cook them in ways that could completely change your mind. Number 11. Fights cancer risks. No single food can completely prevent cancer, but maintaining a healthy diet can lower your chances. Brussels sprouts are rich in substances known as glucosinolates. These naturally occurring elements are noted for their potential cancer-preventive properties. When this vegetable is consumed and processed by the body, glucosinolates break down into active agents such as indoles and isothiocyanates. These agents help cleanse the body by neutralizing harmful chemicals and promoting the elimination of carcinogens, potentially leading to a reduced risk of cancer. Number 10. Promotes heart health. Brussels sprouts are abundant in camphorol, an antioxidant celebrated for its heart protective qualities. Studies have shown that increasing your intake of vegetables, particularly from the brassica family like Brussels sprouts, can diminish the risk of heart disease. Number 9. High in vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a key role in blood clotting, which is essential for preventing excessive bleeding under normal circumstances. However, when someone is on blood-thinning medications, which are designed to prevent blood clots and reduce the risk of strokes or other complications, the role of vitamin K becomes more complex. These medications work partly by reducing the clotting action of vitamin K. Therefore, if a person significantly changes the amount of vitamin K they consume, such as by suddenly eating more Brussels sprouts or other high vitamin K foods, it can affect the effectiveness of the medication. This interaction could potentially lead to health risks like blood clots or excessive bleeding, depending on how the levels of vitamin K fluctuate. For those not on such medications, increasing your intake of vitamin K through foods like Brussels sprouts can offer numerous health benefits. Number 8. Supports gut health. These vegetables are also high in sulfur, which is very important in supporting your gut health. This can boost your body's defense against infections and might even lower the risk of colorectal cancer. Sulfur aids in producing glutathione, a vital antioxidant that maintains the gut lining and helps in its repair, while also safeguarding cells from inflammation and enhancing detoxification processes throughout the body. Number 7. Lowers type 2 diabetes risk. Eating Brussels sprouts and other brassica vegetables has been associated with a decreased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. These vegetables are high in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Also, they protect against certain complications that can affect blood vessels and circulation in people with diabetes. Number 6. Loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial compounds that combat oxidation, a process that, if unchecked, can increase the risk of chronic diseases. Consuming Brussels sprouts, which are rich in these protective antioxidants, has been linked to significant health benefits. For instance, one study found that eating 300 grams of cooked Brussels sprouts daily could reduce oxidative damage by up to 28%. This type of damage often stems from inflammation, and veggies like Brussels sprouts are particularly effective at diminishing these harmful effects. Number 5. Boosts eye health. When thinking of foods that enhance eye health, carrots usually come to mind first due to their high vitamin A content. However, Brussels sprouts are also excellent for maintaining good vision. They not only contain vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and cell growth, but are also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients vital for eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants that accumulate in the retina, the part of the eye responsible for vision. These nutrients help filter harmful high-energy wavelengths of light and protect against oxidative damage from light exposure, potentially reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 4. Rich in vitamin C. A half-cup serving of cooked Brussels sprouts delivers 48 milligrams of vitamin C, making them one of the best vegetable sources for this crucial nutrient. Vitamin C is vital for the growth and repair of body tissues and acts as an antioxidant. It's also involved in producing proteins like collagen and plays a role in boosting immunity. Additionally, vitamin C helps increase the absorption of non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plant-based foods, which is not as easily absorbed as the iron from animal sources. Incorporating a serving or two of Brussels sprouts into your meals a few times a week can significantly help in meeting your daily vitamin C requirements. Number 3. May reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural part of the immune response, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Brussels sprouts, rich in antioxidants, play a key role in neutralizing free radicals that contribute to inflammation. Eating a diet filled with cruciferous vegetables, such as Brussels sprouts, can help lower inflammation and decrease the risk of developing inflammation-related diseases. Adding these vegetables to your diet regularly is a proactive step towards maintaining your health. Number 2. Supports brain health. Research has highlighted the benefits of glucosinolates, natural compounds found in Brussels sprouts and other cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. These compounds are known for their role in protecting against chronic diseases and may inhibit tumor growth. While the direct impact on brain health is still under study, regular consumption of glucosinolate-rich foods is considered beneficial for overall health and could potentially help guard against neurological diseases. Number 1. Aids in healthy weight loss. Brussels sprouts are nutrient-dense but low in calories, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. They provide a feeling of fullness without the extra calories, supporting your weight loss goals effectively. While the benefits of Brussels sprouts are many, it's also safe to eat them daily as part of a balanced diet. However, for optimal nutrition, it's important to include a variety of foods in your meals. Diverse dietary choices ensure a broader intake of nutrients, contributing to overall health and well-being. You can find Brussels sprouts in the fresh produce section of most grocery stores all year long. When selecting Brussels sprouts, steer clear of any that are soft or have started to turn yellow. Instead, look for ones that are firm and have a bright green color. Once you bring them home, Brussels sprouts can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week, ensuring they stay fresh until you're ready to use them. People often relish them roasted, boiled, sautéed, or baked, each method bringing out a unique flavor profile. For a straightforward yet delicious side dish, trim the ends of the Brussels sprouts, toss them with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast them on a baking sheet until they turn crispy and golden. This enhances their natural sweetness and reduces any bitterness. Moreover, Brussels sprouts can be creatively included in many recipes. Try adding them to pasta dishes for an extra crunch, incorporate them into frittatas for a nutritious breakfast option, or toss them into stir-fries for a quick and healthy dinner. These methods not only diversify your meals, but also help in integrating more nutrients into your diet. The key to enjoying Brussels sprouts is in how they're prepared. If you're not a fan of their natural taste, experimenting with different cooking techniques and seasonings can make a significant difference, making them a tasty part of your eating routine. Remember, while Brussels sprouts and other nutritious foods offer numerous health benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. If you're intrigued by the many health benefits of Brussels sprouts we've discussed today, don't stop here. Our channel is packed with more insightful videos that delve into healthy diets and the nutritional power of different foods. Whether you're looking to enhance your diet or simply learn more about how what you eat can affect your health, we've got plenty of resources to help you on your journey. Subscribe and join our community to stay updated on all things related to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Every small change in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being.